Hello, kids! Let's read CBC words, phrases, and sentences with Teacher Relshi. Are you ready? Let's start!
Fun, fun. Man, man. Pan, pan. Run, run. Tan, tan. Fun, man, pan, run, tan. Bat, bat. Cat, cat. Fat, fat. Hat, hat. Mat, mat. Bat, cat, fat, hat, mat. Cap, cap. Gap, gap. Lap, lap. Map, map. Nap, nap. Cap, gap, lap, map, nap. Cam, cam. Dam, dam. Ham, ham. Jam, jam. Ram, ram. Cam, dam, ham, jam, ram. Cab, cab. Dab, dab. Gab, gab. Jab, jab. Lad, lad. Cub, dub, gub, jub, lub. Bad, bad. Cad, cad. Dad, dad. Fad, fad. Mud, mud. Bad, cad, dad, fad, mad. Bag, bag. Gag, gag. Hag, hag. Jag, jag. Lag, lag. Bag, gag, hag, jug, lag. Bar, bar. Car, car. Tar, tar. Bar, bar. War, war. Bar, car, tar, bar, war. Pax, pax. Vax, vax. Wax, wax. Lax, lax. Tax, tax. Pax, vax, wax, lax, tax. Apan, apan. Tan van, tan van. Afan, afan. Apan, tan van, afan. At bat, at bat. Fat cat, fat cat. Pat the cat, pat the cat. At bat, fat cat. Pat the cat. A mat, a mat. Can tap, can tap. Fat lap, fat lap. A mat, can tap. Fat lap. Had a nap, had a nap. Has a cap, has a cap. Ham and jam, ham and jam. Had a nap, has a cap. Ham and jam. Ran at palm, ran at palm. Has a jam, has a jam. Gab and gab, gab and gab. Ran at palm, has a jam. Gab and gab. A dab of jam, a dab of jam. At the lab, at the lab. Can nab, can nab. A dab of jam. At the lab, can nab. Is bad, is bad. Is sad, is sad. Tag the bag, tag the bag. Is bad, is sad. Tag the bag. The man ran, the man ran. Dan is a man. Dan is a man. Dan has a tan. Dan has a tan. John has a can. John has a can. John has a van. John has a van. The man has a can. The man has a can. The cat is fat. The cat is fat. Nat is a cat. Nat is a cat. The cat sat. The cat sat. The rat ran. The rat ran. Pat the cat. Pat the cat. Pat the rat. Pat the rat. Dan can tap. Dan can tap. John can tap. John can tap. John has a nap. John has a nap. The cat had a nap. The cat had a nap. The man has a cap. The man has a cap. The man has a map. The man has a map. Sam has the jam. Sam has the jam. The ram ran. The ram ran. Sam can pat the cat. Sam can pat the cat. Pan has a ram. Pan has a ram. The man has a ham. The man has a ham. John has a cam. John has a cam. Dan is at the lab. Dan is at the lab. Pan can job. Pan can job. John has a cab. John has a cab. The man has a cab. The man has a cab. Sam can gab and gab. Sam can gab and gab. The cat ran nabbed the rat. The cat can nab the rat. Dan is a man. Dan is a man. Dad sat. Dad sat. John is mad. John is mad. Sam is a lad. Sam is a lad. The fat cat is mad. The fat cat is mad. The cat had a nap. The cat had a nap. The hat has a tag. The hat has a tag. The bag can sag. The bag can sag. Pam has a bag. Pam has a bag. John has a rag and bag. John has a bag and rag.
Thank you! Once again, this is Teacher Relshi And please don't forget to click like and subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye. See you again.